All right, y'all, welcome back. Today is Friday, December 15th. It's the 15th day of Vlogmas. I have been missing for a little while because work just got crazy, like towards the end of, well, not the end of, but going into the middle of December. It was just last week was just like I had a lot going on. I had to take a PT test. I had to also do height and weight. I had to do something with like laptops and stuff. Like work just got crazy, so it's not an excuse, but I'm just explaining like where that time was. So anyways, today is like the official, it's kind of the official last day before people start to take off for their holiday block leave and people will be gone for Christmas. um I won't be leaving until like the week after this, so the end of next week, that's when I'll be leaving. But yeah, so I decided to go to the store and get some bags for the people that I work with. Not doing like a gift exchange or anything, but I just got like little bags and I'm gonna put candy in the bags. I'm gonna stuff them, and then I also got these boxes, so I feel like, sorry, that's the receipt. I feel like people will just take one or the other, but I'll have to make that clear, like you can only get one. But anyways, so yeah, I got these little bags. I'm gonna stuff them with candy and show you guys all the candy that I got. Oh, also I ended up having to go to Target. I didn't have to go to Target, but I went to Target. So while I was there, I just got this conditioner because I'm gonna do my hair later. And then for candy, I got, so my friend said she didn't like chocolate, so I had to get like other types of candy. I hope these are individually wrapped. Yeah. Okay, so I got Starburst. I got Snickers. I got Hershey's, like a mix. I got Reese's. I got Kit Kat. And then I got Airheads. I didn't get that many gummy candies because they didn't have that many gummy candies like individually wrapped. So I hope that everybody enjoys the little holiday cheer that I'm trying to spread. I tried to do this. I don't think I did it last year because it was just too many people in my office. But the year before last, I did make like a little gift bag and give it out to people at work. So yeah, I just want to like spread holiday cheer. I feel like chocolate and candy always brings somebody's mood up. So hopefully the people that I give these to enjoy them. And yeah, I'll try to show you guys me making the gift bags like a little bit. Camera battery's about to die though, so yeah, we'll see what we can do. Alright, y'all, so I just finished packing the little gift boxes and the gift bags, so I'm about to go give these out. As you can see, it just has a little assortment of candy. I didn't put any names or anything on them. And then, yeah, the little bags, they're cute. So, I'm happy, I'm excited to give these out. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably around lunchtime. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him.
engraved in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused.
As you can see, I added more water, and once it becomes stretchy, you cover it with a cheesecloth or a regular towel for 2 hours at room temp. After the 2 hours are up, you're going to add some oil and turn the bread into itself. Then you're going to prepare your pan with flour and some oil. All I had on hand was some avocado oil, and once you place it on the pan, you're going to let it rise for another hour.
To finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself.
After you let your bread rise for another hour, you're going to turn on your oven to 375, and you're going to place your bread in the oven for 40 minutes. And then when you take it out, it should look like this.
Secure.
So next, for the bread dip, all you're going to do is add a bunch of seasonings, including onion powder, garlic powder, red chili flakes, parsley, rosemary, oregano, basil, salt and pepper, and then fresh Parmesan cheese. And I added the spray avocado oil, which was all I had on hand at the time. And it turns out very, very tasty. Not an exact dupe for a restaurant, but very good. Hey y'all, we are on day 17 of Vlogmas. It's raining outside. As you can see, I twisted my hair. I finished twisting. I actually started twisting it yesterday, which was Saturday the 16th, and today's the 17th. So on the 17th day of Vlogmas, we have, 8 days till Christmas. So I went to the grocery store because I wanted to make some pho inspired noodles. I'm not saying it's that, but I wanted to make some noodles that were inspired. So I got on TikTok and I looked at a few recipes, and then I went to the store, got the ingredients that I needed. So we're about to go in here and make that. I hope it turns out good. I probably won't show y'all, because I showed y'all me making bread yesterday. Probably won't show the in-depth details of me making this, because it's probably not going to be like, no, like I'm going off somebody else's stuff. The bread I've made like a couple times, so I'm very like comfortable with making it on the fly. And then I showed y'all like the little seasonings that you put together, and you can make, you know what I didn't get, y'all? Oil. That's crazy. But I left that off the list as well, and I forgot, like, we're out of oil. Like, we have the spray avocado oil, which is what I used last night, but I wanted some actual, like, you know, pour the oil or whatever, because I don't think that we have any. But that's fine. I'll just go probably tomorrow get some oil. But anyways, yeah, so about to go take these groceries in here and make these noodles, because it's a rainy day. What better food would you like to have other than like some soup, some noodle soup? So yeah.